Before anything else, I would like you to do the 10 seconds reflection. Kindly close our eyes and think about our environment. We have these three main reasons why we should do conservation work to protect our natural world. We must put this in our minds that it is not only for the sake of the environment, but for everybody.
Let us start to the major reason. The impact that it has on human health. We cannot be healthy with an unhealthy environment. Abusing the natural world threatens our capacity to provide food and water. One of the best examples which are harmful to human health is the pollution. And where does it start? It started from the human.
Simply put, we are the one who keep destroying our natural environment. We are the problem. Thus, we must change our mindset.
Second reason is to protect the earth. We need to be fully aware that our environment needs to be safeguarded, especially now that climate change is already wreaking havoc. Do you know that the nature itself is our biggest weapon to fight against any calamity like global warming? That is why we need to use the nature's contribution very wisely in order for us to protect each other.
The third reason is to protect the animals or the wild animals. We must protect them and promote biodiversity. By doing this, we can preserve it for the future generation and maintain a healthy and functional ecosystem.
Some species cannot survive outside of their natural habitats without the intervention of humans such as zoos and aquariums. Preserving the natural habitats help to prevent the entire ecosystem being harmed.
There are some examples which are the proof that the people are really destroying our environment. They do damaging changes to the environment. Many of it will be irreversible and will affect the human health.
Ages ago, rivers are very clean and we can even drink the water from it. But now, because of the people that are throwing their waste to the river, the water has been contaminated and nobody can drink it. Lots of animals are dying because of contamination.
So, those are just some of the negative actions that people do.
Before we end this video, we have 5 basic tips in saving our environment.
The first one is we have to save energy. Second, we should use reusable items. Avoid using plastics. Third is separate and recycle the different types of waste. Fourth, do not waste water. Lastly, respect all plants and animals around you.
By doing simple things makes a great and big impact to the environment.
It is never too late to save our natural environment. It's in our hands to protect and look after it.